Now, phase diagram, a simple diagram which shows us phases at different temperatures. आसान सी चीज है, कोई इतना वो नहीं है. Different phases of metal or alloys at different phases are depicted or can be seen through a phase diagram as clear from the name. Temperature range, especially this is phase diagram. लाजमी बात है, phase ज्यादा अगर है तो एक मेटल के लिए तो नहीं होती, लेकिन एक मेटल की भी हो सकती है. But we are much concerned about the alloys. So the temperature range over which an alloy crystallizes can readily be obtained from the cooling curves, as we have already seen. And what are the cooling curves? These are the cooling curves, and this shows us the temperature changes at this at this point we have the liquid phase, and at this point we have the solid phase. This phase also is the solid phase, and for metals. And for alloys, this is the liquid phase and this is the solid phase. Now, again, there's an assignment how these composition can be verified as temperature at TMA is more than TMB, and above the TMA is liquidus line, that is liquid line, and below TMB is a solidus line, that is solid. इतनी मुश्किल नहीं है, यही ये ऊपर वाली लिक्विडस होगी जो लिक्विड लाइन होती है, और नीचे वाली सॉलिडस. ऊपर वाली लिक्विडस और नीचे वाली सॉलिडस. तो टेम्परेचर जो होंगे ये आगे हम देखते हैं. ये फेज डायग्राम्स हैं. ये टीएमए है हमारा. दिस इज द कंपोजिशन एंड दिस इज द टेम्परेचर. Series of cooling curves you can see here in this diagram. Temperature T1 and T2, because it is the temperature of an alloy, obtained from experiments using alloy with variable or varying composition. That is, this is the 100% of A component or A metal, and this is the 100% of B metal. So if we are here at this point, we having 80% of metal A and 20% of metal B. So our temperature ranges from T1 to T2. T1 will be the temperature of higher or temperature of metal A, and T2 will be the temperature of metal B, and so on 60-40, 40-60 and 20-80. वही कोरिंग वाला सिस्टम यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा. Now, TMA, TMB, these are the phase diagrams. How a solid solution phase diagram can be used to predict or explain certain alloy characteristics. So we can predict that at these points Z, Y, X, W and V, what will be the composition of the alloy. Say if we are at X, point X, at this point, so what will be the composition? About 40% of A metal and 60% of B metal are there in at this point X. And and these are the temperature, and this is another thing which we will see at another time. और सॉरी, बल्कि इसको अभी यहीं पे खत्म कर लेते हैं. TL का मतलब होगा टेम्परेचर, लिक्विडस टेम्परेचर. कौन सा? लिक्विडस टेम्परेचर. एंड TS मीन सॉलिडस टेम्परेचर, ये वो टेम्परेचर होगा जहां पे हमारी, जिसके ऊपर हमारी सारी की सारी मेटल जो होगी वो लिक्विड होगी। टीएस जो होगा, इससे नीचे सारी की सारी सॉलिड होगी। और टीएसएल होगा, यहां पे सोल्यूशन होगा। सोल्यूशन से मुराद लिक्विड और सॉलिड दोनों
सॉलिड
एक ही टाइम पे एग्जिस्ट करेंगे। ठीक है जी। अच्छा जी, अब इसके साथ